A few years ago, a team of scientists hovered around a small cage to watch the rat inside devouring a cookie. The rat's head was covered in a tangle of wires. These wires ran out of the cage and connected to a high-tech computer that measures brain activity. What the scientists wanted to see was how eating sugar would affect the rat's brain, especially the parts of its brain responsible for cravings and addiction. So, as the rat gobbled its sugary treat, the scientists glanced from it to the computer screen. And what they saw shocked them. As the rat consumed sugar, the computer screen showed that the neurons in the pleasure center of its brain, which regulates cravings, binging, withdrawal, and addiction, lit up like a Christmas tree. But here's the kicker. When the scientists repeated this experiment but gave the rat drugs instead of sugar, sugar was shown to be more addictive than hard drugs. Since then, human studies have shown that consuming sugar releases a tidal wave of opioids and dopamine in our brain, which can drive cravings and addictive behavior. If you've ever struggled against the urge to eat just one more cookie, or, the impulse to finish a pint of ice cream in one go, or maybe you have a daily soda habit you can't quite seem to break, well, then you've experienced firsthand just how addictive sugar can be. Most people I talk to are stunned to discover how much sugar they're actually eating and what it's doing to their health. For instance, the World Health Organization recommends no more than 25 grams of sugar per day for the average adult. Yet a single can of soda is packed with a staggering 44 grams of sugar. That's nearly double the recommended daily allowance. And even if you're trying to cut back on sugar, you're probably consuming more, and maybe a lot more, than you realize. That's because Big Sugar has disguised sugar by at least 61 different names on our food labels. If you see ingredients like dextrin, diastatic malt, Florida crystals, or rice syrup on your food label, yep, that's sugar. But it also fires me up to take my health into my own hands. If you feel the same, if you're ready to take back control of your cravings, energy levels, and overall health, I recommend you try a bit of a sugar challenge. To do this, simply monitor how much sugar you are taking for a day or two. Then for the following 3, 5, or 7 days, you choose, consume half that normal amount. Test it out and see how you feel. You will be very surprised, as well as you will see just how much it changes the way you eat in the future. Thanks again for watching and listening to this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Go to www.iwellnesslife.com for more info.